Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the third take. Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Dory's Dollies, we are offering the challenge of bringing out your Amaya Raine dolls and showing us your DIY, anything. It can be a little prop that you made or an outfit, anything for a rainbow high doll. I thought I'd do something different and show you a couple of customs I've done. I did this one when Rainbow High dolls first came out. The bounce in her hair is, or the spring in her bounce, I guess, of her hair has kind of let down. But when Sunny first came out, I looked at her and thought, that girl needs some dark, tight curls and a different look. So I created Onyx Naor, and gosh, I guess that's been how many years ago?
I couldn't tell you.
I don't either. This is what Sunny looked like when she first came out. I have another one out of the box, but I am a box collector, and I have several of the original, what do I have, 3 or 4 sets of the original 6 that came out, well, and a whole bunch of others in boxes. I love the Rainbow High dolls. I think they are absolutely beautiful. And then Dory and I do the, we also do, I should say, on the 16th of each month, the Dolls Gone Goth. So one month I got the idea of taking a Blythe head and taking her body, Chanel Onyx. Isn't that funny? They named it Onyx after I named her Onyx Naor. And making a goth doll with a Blythe head and a Rainbow High body. And what all did you do for the neck? I can't remember. Were you able, did you? No, I can't remember. I bet you can't either.
I don't remember for sure, but I think it was just a matter of trimming up the neck to fit the doll, the standard neck joint that I have.
The standard neck joint you
Yep.
make? We make and sell neck joints on dollsrescue.com. She does have a neck joint, and I really love her. And I took ribbon, if you can see the hair, and just that's what her white streak is just ribbon put in to the dark Blythe hair. And at the scalp, I took a marker and darkened the scalp that was still light, and then she's got, let's see, little earrings. They are different than the original, but she's got little earrings, and this is a little dress I had made her. I wanted to point out that Onyx Naor is missing a shoe somewhere between upstairs, and I can't get her to stand now. I need to fix her Blythe head. All right, there we go. She's missing a shoe, but Darren makes these blanks, soles for me, and then I make sandals and such. And this was a specific color to match her top, so I didn't want to change her shoes. Dory, thank you so much. If any one of you watching has a Rainbow High video today, would you let me know in the comments so that I can come and watch it too? I'd love to see your Rainbow High DIY. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, resubscribe. YouTube just keeps taking my subscribers. Please make sure you are still subscribed or subscribe for the first time if you haven't. We really appreciate it.